Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to start with introduction to Python, but before going to that we need to set up something. So in this whole series I'm going to use the Anaconda Navigator, the Jupyter Notebook, which is basically used for Python, and machine learning stuffs all are being done on Jupyter Notebook. So to start with that, firstly visit to this website, which is anaconda.com, and after that download the Anaconda Navigator. Here you can see a download button is given. So download. I am on Mac, so it is showing Mac, and if you are on Windows or Linux, then it will show you Windows or Linux, and according to your preferences you can download the Anaconda Navigator. And like if you don't want to do on Anaconda Navigator, if you want to be on mobile, or you want to code anywhere, so you can use these two websites. So first of all, there is GDB Online Debugger, which is onlinegdb.com. Here you can see the website. This is onlinegdb.com. What you have to do, you have to just go to this website, and after going to this website, just select the language as Python 3, and then you can start coding here. Okay, and the third option will be Google Colab, which is by Google. Okay, if you search Google Colab in the web, so you can see here is a option that colab.research.google.com. Just click on here, and you will see a pop-up like this will be opened, and you have to just click on here, create new notebook. Okay, if you just click on create notebook, new notebook, then it will create a new notebook where you can write your Python code as well as run them. Okay, it is loading because of some internet issue or something. Yeah, it has been loaded. So here you can code. Here you can code, and you can do everything online. So you can access it on your mobile as well. Okay, but most of the time, and 99% time, I'm going to use this Anaconda Navigator. After you download and install it, it will be showing something like this. If you run the program Anaconda Navigator, then it will be opened, and it will show interface like this. And here for now we only need the Jupyter Notebook. Here you can see Jupyter Notebook, which you can see. So here we only need Jupyter Notebook, and if we click on launch, then it will automatically launch the Jupyter Notebook for us. Okay, so the Jupyter Notebook has been launched, and you can see here are different things are already going on, but in your case, if you are installing it for the first time, there will be nothing. Okay, so how to create notebook for implementing Python programs? So you just go to this new. Here you can see there is an option called new. Here is the option new. Just click on new, and then click on Python 3. It will create a notebook for you. Okay, now you can write different things, like here you can change the title as well. Suppose I am writing this at introduction to Python, and if you click on rename, then it will rename it automatically. Okay, here are the cells where you can write Python code, and if you want to export this file as a PDF or as a code, then just click on here is the option called file. Just click on it, just click on file, and after that download as, and as per your requirement you can download it. Okay, now there are many more options like edit, view, insert. Here you can, here is a cell, and if you want to insert a cell above this, then you can click on insert and then insert cell above. Or if you want to, like here is a cell, if you want to insert a cell below this, then you can click insert cell below, then it will insert a cell below. And there are many more things which will be discussed later in this video, so stay tuned. So now we are going to start with Python, and we are going to write the first code of Python. Okay, so if I write first program in Python, And if you want this to be a heading, just click on here. Here you can see there is a option called code, and click on heading. Okay, it will be created. And if you want to go to the next cell, here is a shortcut. You can either click Ctrl plus enter, or you can click Shift plus enter together, and it will go to the next cell and it will make this as a header. Okay, so here's a shortcut trick. And so let's start with our first program. So as we all write the first program as hello world, and here we can just write print, then a bracket, and after that we can use single quote or double quote, whatever we like. So I'm using double quote, and if then we write hello world, and then if I click on here run, or if I click Shift plus enter or Control plus enter, then it will run the program. So if I click on run, it will show me the output, which is hello world. It is as simple as that in Python. You have to just write print hello world and it will print the hello world statement for you. Okay, so as you can see here, the two quotation type thing, it means that we want to display this string. Okay, just remember this, we are just displaying the words inside this quotation. Okay, and let's see what will happen if we write just print hello, and after that we again write print world. If we write two times and if we click on shift and shift plus enter, then you can see it will create a new line automatically. Okay, it will create a new line automatically. So that is a feature in Python, that it will create a new line. And how to avoid this new line, I will show you later. Okay, so first of all, if we write print hello and then if we write print world, then it will first of all print hello, then after a line it will print world. No matter how many times we write this, like if I write 2 times or 3 times, doesn't matter, it will be printing all that. Like here I write suppose 3 times, and then if I click shift plus enter, then it will give me the output of everything. Okay, I hope that you understand. So now let's move on to the next thing.